Hello. The cakes are foggy already. So you can stand it. Okay, there's cakes. Okay. Good evening, folks. Okay. I'm at the bake shop. I want to buy some bread. So look at the cake. Yeah, I'm happy. It's foggy red. Okay, that's some parts. Okay, March 5, 2026. We are at the ARC Mall, Alexandra, Singapore. Lots of bread, kinds of bread. More tarts, fruit tarts. Muffin. And this one is local house, yeah. Parang hopya. In Philippine hopya. Some more muffins. More bread. More bread. Cakes, more muffins. This side, all puff. Very puff. More tarts, okay? Okay. That's for tonight, folks. A little video. Okay. Here there are more cakes. Okay. Sponge cake. Different kinds. Here on top, more bread. Okay. Local bread. Enjoy Singapore. ARC Mall, Alexandra, Singapore. Enjoy Singapore. March 5, 2026.